Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanar ka kuat ka kya ka jila uba wailan miki shila. Ulaong bu uladap yu kendo iki doktor ki nurse jong ka civil hospital. Hak bede baga Jingkynnoh bom Shimkhia ki doktor bat ki nurse na civil hospital ban Sumar ki Ngut ki Samla Pule ka Nehu ki bala syak tanra ka kali ka khatnyo tarik nai wiang arjar pusan. Uba wailat ulaong banak liang jong ula Shimkhia ya kani bat kadon kam ban wat banyak bha ya kadaw namar ki bun ki brio ki bekran na kumni kumtai. Kumta ulaong ban nakaliang jung kwa ban kran halor kani benta namar uhap ban ti bnya ashwa ya kadaw bami halor kani. Habakali ka gajing sngo jung baman kapor ka juja bagi nong tre haki hospital sorkar ki jule atokmet ne kran tokmet iki nong pang uba awailat ulaong ban nakaliang katanat ban nakaliang ka sorkaru ka jukentu iki doktor ki nurse bat ki nong tre haki hospital sorkar baki dei ban ne bha ki nong pang ban kran tokmet ne de atokmet. Ulaong baki nong pang kila bandan kum kita ki jing sngo namar ki don hapdeng ki jing kuslai baki pang bat na kadaw ki jing bun brio haki hospital sorkar hendai ulaong baka tanat ru ke le ban penyabyang lang ya baro bat gajukan tui ki nong tre haki hospital bakim dei ban le tomet ki nong pang
use and all, but I have already reached out to the doctors there and then inquired because that inquiry is still going on. We need to find out because there are a lot of things going out. A lot of people say what it is, but as a minister, it's not. I think it's not wise for me to just pass any comments because I need to go deep down on the reason why it is happening, because of what are the main reason, and also very soon we'll definitely we are taking this seriously. We don't want anybody that deny the treatment. So we have taken this seriously. We are trying to go deep onto it, and then in the coming days we'll definitely come with reply on that.
But this is not one of the isolated cases because we have been many patients have complained, especially from rural areas. Whenever they go to government hospitals, the way they the staff out there, the way they talk, they behave them is very bad. There's a lack of professionalism on the part to deal with patients.
No, see, like you yourself have mentioned, this has been there since for a very long time, and then no doubt in the course of time there will be many complaints, but we try to address it. And from the government part or from the department, we always tell our people working in the hospital that to be more welcoming, and then especially for the people coming to hospital, they come because for treatment, and they already have so much. We do understand that, but most of the time then we tend to see also that because the patient when they come, then because they are already in the mind of a depressed kind of a mind, so definitely, and the kind of rush we are having in the government hospital. So no doubt we are trying to balance things, but in the course of this, but from our end, from the department, we always stress to our doctors and nurses and other that they should not behave those kind of situations.